With cruising delayed for almost a year so far, we missed out on all the new cruise ships that were scheduled for 2020. This means that we have even more to look forward to for 2021.
Here's our top new cruise ships that we are most excited about for 2021.
Hey, we're Addie and Terry, and welcome to our channel where we bring you along on our cruises and on our travel adventures.
With everyone anticipating cruising's return and the massive amount of new ships available, we thought we would share with you the ships that we are most looking forward to for 2021.
And make sure to stick around until the end, because after we've mentioned all the new ships, we will share with you the cruise ships we're planning to book and when.
And while you're watching, make sure you let us know which cruise ship you are most excited for, or if you have cruises booked for 2021. It's always cool to hear what ships people get excited about and why they want to cruise them.
And who knows, your suggestion may help others choose a ship that's right for them.
The Celebrity Apex is one that we have had our eyes on ever since we went on her sister ship, the Celebrity Edge.
I mean, it's my all-time favorite ship. It wasn't a mega ship, but it has some of the most tech that I've ever seen on a cruise ship. I mean, this ship had it all. From food and drinks to entertainment to cool spots to relax and take those Instagram photos that we like to do.
Instagram photos. Hoping to set sail with passengers in November from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, she will feature all the same great attractions as the Edge.
And of course, this is going to include the new Magic Carpet. You've probably heard about it or seen it on some videos. It is a floating platform that sticks out over the side of the ship. It can go from deck to deck, transporting people. It can become a restaurant. It can become a bar. Plus, they've got a rooftop garden and a new venue named Eden with expansive space and outdoor and indoor seating as well.
Of course, Celebrity Apex comes with a few new features all of its own. Going above and beyond what Celebrity Edge offers, it also brings to the table a new bar called Craft Social for craft beers from around the world. A new Eden dinner menu and programming, a new theater with lots of fancy tech like a 110-foot 4K LED screen, plus new spa experiences.
And Addie, speaking of new spa experiences, there are going to be more than 120 different treatments for you to choose from. So you can enjoy a treatment with views of the ocean. And then you can stop by the spa's Persian Garden and Thermal Suite for some more relaxation opportunities.
Plus, the Apex will also feature a larger fitness center.
Now, everybody's talking about this ship.
Voted recently as the most anticipated ship, the Mardi Gras has been on everyone's radar since it was announced by Carnival over a year ago.
And with good reason. I mean, it has a freaking roller coaster on board, all right?
Yes, it does. Bolt is a sea roller coaster. That's the first ever roller coaster at sea. Bolt will be able to accommodate 190 cruisers per hour with death-defying twists and turns situated 57 meters above the sea. Bolt is a custom-built roller coaster that lets the rider control the speed of the car. So you can go as slow as you want to or as fast as you want to, up to 40 miles an hour.
Plus, this ship is also the first ship in Carnival's new XL class and the largest in the line's entire fleet. Now, the ship is currently the 9th largest in the world, and it's also the first ship powered by LNG. That's liquefied natural gas right here in North America.
Mardi Gras will also feature 6 distinct themed zones that will offer something for everyone. You got the French Quarter, the Piazza, Summer Landing, the Lido area, the atrium, and of course the playground. There will be more than enough to do for anyone and everyone. Guests will also have the choice of more than 2,600 staterooms and 180 different types of suites across 11 categories. So there's a stateroom or a suite out there that'll work for just about everybody.
And you already know the Mardi Gras is going to have all of Carnival's favorites like Guy's Burgers, there's Cherry on top, but she's also going to feature some new restaurants like Emerald's Bistro, 1396, Rudy's Sea Grill, and of course Big Shack's Big Chicken.
Even though the new ship has been delayed multiple times, Mardi Gras will offer cruises around the Eastern and Western Caribbean out of the new dedicated Carnival Cruise Terminal 3 at Port Canaveral, Florida.
Now, hopefully, the Mardi Gras will be setting sail on her inaugural sailing this coming April.
We have been patiently, not so patiently waiting for these ships. Our cruise on Scarlet has been rescheduled 4 times.
I mean, we've been excited about Virgin Voyages since the first announcement over 2 years ago, but it is pretty disappointing to have had 4 opportunities to sail on her canceled on last year.
Exactly. Cruisers, or sailors as Virgin Voyages refers to cruisers, are hopeful that Scarlet Lady will make her grand appearance in May. Currently, itineraries are around the Caribbean, embarking from Miami.
Now her sister, Valiant Lady, is set to be skipping her original itineraries in the Mediterranean so that she can join her sister in the Caribbean starting in November of this year.
So why are we so excited about this new cruise line? These ships are a foodie's haven. Over 20 restaurants and bars and not a single buffet among them. And they are all included in the fare.
Also included in the fare is basic beverages like coffee, teas, soda, juices, gratuities, Wi-Fi.
And don't forget group workouts if that's your thing. Because even though cruising is all about having fun, this ship also gives plenty of opportunities to indulge in wellness activities as well.
Now listen up. These ships are adults only. That means 18 and up. So not for families with young ones, but it's definitely gonna be for you if you're into music, if you like tattoos and piercings, good food, good times. I mean, Virgin has got it all.
Another ship that we are super stoked about is the MSC Seashore.
We absolutely love MSC. I mean, they have amazing value, amazing service every time on those absolutely beautiful ships.
Exactly. We love the seaside. So a bigger, better version of her will be a blast.
Now, the MSC Seashore will be the lead ship for the Evo class, which is a subset of the Seaside class of ships that already exist, only larger. Now, the MSC Seashore is 52 feet longer than her bigger sisters, the MSC Seaside and MSC Seaview, and has more and bigger main restaurants, casino, retail, and entertainment areas.
Now, many of the fine details about MSC Seashore are still under wraps, but we do know that in addition to the ship's larger size, it will also feature the highest ratio of outdoor space per guest out of any MSC Cruises ship.
So we can expect more restaurants, bars, there's the water features to accommodate the larger crowds, and of course a bigger spa, and my favorite, the yacht club area. Of course, this is MSC's ship within a ship concept that we think is pretty cool.
So cool. MSC Seashore guests will also get to experience the innovative MSC For Me technology that provides an enhanced onboard experience, and the guests will have the chance to experience the world's first digital cruise assistant, Zoe. Kind of think of it like Alexa or Siri, but on the cruise ship.
Now, when launched, the MSC Seashore is slated to sail the Western Mediterranean starting in August, and the ship will sail from Miami for Caribbean itineraries in November.
Next up is the Enchanted Princess.
Now, the Enchanted Princess was supposed to debut back in June of last year, but now it looks like she's going to be sailing starting in May, hopefully this year, with Mediterranean itineraries, and in December, she's going to start Caribbean itineraries leaving out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Enchanted Princess will have many of the same features as her sister ships in the Royal class, particularly the Sky Princess, like the Sky Suites.
Now, have y'all seen or even heard of these suites? Only 2 on the ship. The 2 suites will have the largest ever private balconies from Princess Cruises at 700 square foot each. They will have a view overlooking the ship's large movies under the stars screen on the open deck, and they have a capacity of up to 5 guests, and it's perfect for your family vacation.
Like I said, Enchanted Princess will also have the standout features already on the sister ships in the Royal class, like the Italian-inspired piazza, dramatic over-the-ocean glass bridge at the Seawalk, and the Broadway caliber shows performed in the Princess Theater.
And another great thing about the Enchanted Princess is that she will be a medallion class ship.
These are so cool.
All guests on board wearing a medallion will be able to experience a speedier embarkation, make payments and unlock your stateroom doors without a key card, order on demand, track fellow passengers around the ship, and a whole lot more.
The doors literally unlock for you like when you're walking down the hallways, and you can order food or drinks from anywhere on the ship.
Okay, so what is there not to get excited about when you're talking about the Royal Caribbean ships?
Odyssey of the Seas is their newest to the fleet and does not disappoint.
Now, the Quantum Ultra class ship will be the first of its kind to travel throughout both Europe and North America, and she's also the sister ship to the Spectrum of the Seas, which entered service back in 2018.
This ship has something for everybody. Special features include the Seaplex Playground. This is the largest indoor activity space at sea. And this ship's particular Seaplex features more ways to have fun than ever before, like trapeze bars, laser tag, bumper cars, and more.
And it's got the Flowrider Surf Simulator, the SkyPad, which is a bungee trampoline virtual reality experience. There's Ripcord, the skydiving simulator, and you can see she's excited about that one. There's the North Star, the observation capsule that lets you take in views of the ocean and more from over 300 feet above sea level. I'm pretty excited about that one.
Not to mention the usual Royal Caribbean favorites on board, like 270, the Multimedia Theater, plus Sorrento's Pizza to the adults-only Solarium.
Now, the Odyssey of the Seas will now launch in May of 2021 in the Mediterranean due to pandemic delays, and in the U.S. in November of this year from Fort Lauderdale for Caribbean sailings.
Now, there's a little bit of history to the name of this next new ship.
Yeah, Holland America Line built the previous MS Rotterdam in the mid-1990s, and in 2020 sold the vessel to Fred Olsen Cruise Lines, opening up the Rotterdam name again for Holland America Line's use.
So a new MS Rotterdam was born, way better than the original, holding nearly twice as many guests. The largest ship will sail the end of the summer throughout the Northern Europe and the Baltic Sea, round trip from Amsterdam, then make its way across the Atlantic to Fort Lauderdale to begin Caribbean sailings in November.
Now, this ship, just like its sister ships, the Koningsdam and the New Statendam, are a music lover's dream.
From the decor on this ship, which is so elegant, to the amenities on the ship, and of course the entertainment, all feature some kind of music theme.
Now, if you're a music lover like me, there's going to be the Rolling Stone Rocker Room, which is a live rock band playing hits. There's the Lincoln Center stage with musicians performing multiple programs of chamber music and classical music most evenings, as well as afternoon recitals during sea days. Then the B.B. King's Blues Club and the B.B. King's All-Stars are going to bring the best of Memphis music to sea, and the Billboard onboard dueling pianos like you've never seen before.
You can also expect Holland America Line amenities such as World Stage 270 degrees round screen, Rudy Seldemar, and the Grand Dutch Cafe. Now you've got a good idea of the cruise ships that will be debuting in 2021, or at least the ones that we're excited about. Here are the ones that we actually plan to book.
Now, we're thoroughly invested in Virgin Voyages, but at the moment, we're kind of unsure if we want to risk the inaugural sailing again after having 4 cancellations last year. Now, that we don't want to sail, we really want to sail, but rescheduling 4 times has us a little apprehensive.
So, we are looking at booking Scarlet Lady for around Thanksgiving and Valiant Lady for maybe New Year's.
Another one that we're planning, of course, is the Carnival Mardi Gras.
This one may be at the end of summer.
And we also have our family favorite of MSC for our family trip sometime this year.
Yeah, so maybe the actual inaugural for the Seashore for that one.
So, do you have a cruise booked on any of these new cruise ships? Let us know down in the comments below.
We would love to know which new cruise ships you are excited about, so let us know in the comments.
And you can let us know if you're excited by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Show us some love and how much you're enjoying the videos by watching more of our videos.
And be sure to click the bell to be notified when we post more. Until next time,
See ya!